going to be under arrest, okay?
Why?
Because you're very intoxicated.
I'll grab your dad and he can come talk, okay? I still have his ID. I gotta go talk to him anyways.
Location, Midwest United States, Iowa jurisdiction. Event, Operating Post-Treason Investigation. Post-collision operated investigation. A vehicle crashes to a residential structure, is located nearby by responding officers, and is placed under arrest for a fourth offense felony OWI under Iowa Code Section 321J.2.
Yes. Hi, how are you?
Well, it was better about 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
I think she had a little... Well, my wife said I think she's impaired. I think she was too.
Yeah. So you didn't see the crash. You heard it.
No, I heard it and I looked and there was a car against my house.
And then you saw her get out. You helped her
Oh,
out.
she wanted to get out. I didn't care if she got out, wanted to look around, but she just headed down the alley.
Okay. Did you follow her to her house?
No, I recognized her after a while. I hadn't seen her dressed up like that before.
Oh, so you know who she is?
Well, I don't know her name, but I've seen her.
So, heard the crash and you did what? So you came over
Yep.
and...
Well, I could see it from there when I looked.
Yep.
Yeah. What the hell?
Okay.
Yep.
So then what?
I just hustled over there and see, well, she was all right, and she had the window cracked, and she kept starting to revving the engine and stuff, and trying to get going.
Okay.
I don't know if it would go or not. Probably should, but I just told her to shut it off.
Okay. What did she look like, the one driving?
Dark hair,
Dark hair,
nice looking girl.
nice looking girl,
Hispanic.
Nicely dressed.
Is it?
nicely dressed.
I know that. She's Hispanic.
What was she wearing?
Well,
Black.
my wife said black.
Oh, black. She had like pants on like that, like the spandex ones.
Like
and
black
then-
spandex pants, like workout pants.
And then the top was black too.
Top was black as well.
Let me go get my phone.
Okay.
And were you the one that saw her?
We all saw her, yeah.
Saw her?
Okay. Whoever wants to be the one that says this is what she was wearing.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, I saw her walking this way and they're telling her to get back here and everything, and she's like, I'll be back. Like under her breath, she said that.
Oh, you want this me?
I didn't
Huh?
want to touch her.
This me?
It doesn't matter to me, but ink would probably be best.
And what was she wearing?
She's wearing black. Like spandex, black pants.
The black top.
Black top, more of a, like a sweatshirt, but not a hoodie sweatshirt. One that zips part down here.
Quarter zip?
Yeah,
And then, what color was her hair?
Black.
black.
Okay.
She looked a lot like the lady that was here. I thought this was her mom at first.
Okay.
Because I'm not from here, so.
Yeah.
What do you got? Roof, vision. Looking for insurance. Banking. Driver's license.
I'll just advise if this is her. Hi there.
How you doing?
Not too bad. How are you guys? The reason I ended up pulling you guys over, you guys were coming from that area over there. Did you end up just getting in a crash?
No.
No?
Not me.
Okay, did you?
No, we live around there, but
Yep.
yeah.
What's your name?
My name?
Yep.
Stacy.
Stacy.
Yeah.
So if I run that black car, the registered owner is not going to come back to you or him?
The black
What
car.
happened
That
now?
hit the tree?
What do you mean?
10-4, I've got her over here. It is Stacy.
Oh my God.
Okay. So, Stacy, can I have you come out of the car so I can talk to you a little bit more?
Alright. Do what he says. Otherwise you're gonna have trouble.
head back over here, okay? Okay. I appreciate it. So,
No problem.
are you ready to be honest with me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so what happened?
What do you mean?
What happened with the crash?
What crash?
You ended up hitting a tree. Do you remember that?
No.
No?
No, I
Okay.
don't.
You're not going to be honest with me right now?
Well, I mean, I'm
A
not.
neighbor said they saw you get picked up.
Huh?
A neighbor said they saw you get picked up.
Oh, the neighbor did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I mean, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Good.
Nora 148 headquarters. Do I have another unit heading my way, or 180? You want to head this way? So I have a second. Now for you can 22 hunt is over here. Okay. So, Stacy, I want you to be honest with me. You were in a crash, okay? So,
Well, I wasn't, but
okay, you got in a crash. You ended up getting picked up. You just want to talk to him?
Yeah.
I'm good. Thank you. So I'm giving you a chance to kind of give me your side of the story of what's going on right now.
I mean, there's really no side of the story to give. I don't understand what you're wanting me to give you.
Okay, well, I want you to be honest with me. That's what I want you to give me.
Well, there's nothing to be honest about. I mean,
Okay, so where were you coming from?
what do you mean?
Where were you just coming from?
Right now? With my dad?
That's your dad?
Yeah.
Got
From
it,
my
okay.
home. From my home.
Temple.
Yeah. So,
Okay, so you were at your home?
yeah.
At your home?
I was at my house. Yeah.
Good. Okay,
Yeah. So, I don't know. I mean,
Temple. Okay, so you were at your house, and then your dad came over to pick you up then?
yeah.
Okay, okay. And then your car, where should that be right now?
Probably close to my house.
Close to your house?
Yeah.
What do you mean close to your house?
Well, or at my house. I mean, why
Once
are
you-
you
once you
asking
know-
me-
once you know where your car
why
is?
are you asking me that right now?
Stacy, once you know where your car is, if somebody asked me where my car was, I'd be like, if I'm home, it's at
Yeah,
home.
well, my car should be at my house then.
Okay, that's not what you said. You said it should be close to home.
Well, why are you questioning me about that?
Because I want you to tell me the truth, Stacy. That's what I.
Well,
That's why.
and I'm going to tell you the truth.
Okay,
I'm
what's
gonna
the
tell
truth?
you right now.
Okay.
The truth is, like, my car is, like, probably at my house. And, you know, I'm sitting here with my dad as a, you know,
Okay. So if he's talking to your dad right now. What is your dad gonna say? Just
he's going to tell you the same thing I did.
that what?
I mean, it's fine. That I don't understand what the problem is here.
Well, the problem is you're not being truthful to me.
Listen, I appreciate you guys like no other, but the problem is well, there is no problem. I mean, honestly and truly. I mean,
Okay.
really.
Okay. But
Really.
the thing is this officer right here, this lieutenant over here, ended up having conversations with
And that's fine.
neighbors who
And that's fine.
saw you walk away.
Well, the house that you crashed into.
And that's fine.
Saw you walk away.
Well, the house that you crashed into, they talked to you and tried to get you to stay there.
Well, I didn't crash into anybody's neighbors.
Your car is stuck in their house.
Well, that's hearsay.
It's not hearsay. It's actually not hearsay. I just talked to them.
Well, it is, because where's my car?
I just told you, it's like rammed into the side of a house about a half a block from your house right before you got picked up.
Well, maybe
So-
it is.
I'm just gonna tell you, like,
Or maybe it's not.
just, what's your first name, Stacy?
Yeah?
Stacy, like at this point, the best thing that you can do, because I know that you said already that you like respect police and stuff like that, is just be honest with us, because we're already way past the stage of like, where is your car and how did you get here and where did you just come from? We're way past that. It's not helping your cause any. So if you are honest with Noah, down the road it might help you, because I mean, I don't know, I can't make any promises there, but just be honest with us about this. There's nothing to hide anymore. We already know what happened. Okay? We've been doing this a long time. This isn't our first day on the job.
Well, I know it's not your first job on the rodeo.
So
I
why
know
don't you
that.
just tell us what happened so we can move along with this?
Well, I'm not gonna...
Was somebody else driving your car?
No, absolutely not.
So it was just you driving.
Well, I wasn't driving.
But you just told me absolutely not, nobody else was driving. Was somebody
Here's
else
the
behind
thing.
the wheel of your
Here,
car?
you wanna
Again,
hear
we're
the
not going to
whole-
play games with you about this, and we're not going to play 30
Do you want to hear
questions.
the whole... Do you want to hear the whole thing?
Like the truth, you mean?
Yeah, like... Alright, fine. Here's the truth.
Yeah, just be honest with us.
Well, you know what? And I've been honest with you guys for... I can't even believe.
Okay, but today you haven't been, and we just want you to be honest today. I know this is tough, and it's...
And I want
you're
to
in a-
know, I just honestly... Am I going to go to jail?
Let's just worry about job one here, which is explain to us.
But I honestly want to know, am I going to go to jail?
We are not there yet. We haven't decided any of
I
that.
please don't want to go to jail.
Okay,
I really don't want to.
okay.
I have a good lawyer,
That's totally fine.
Michael.
Yep, I know
really,
Mike.
truly
Mike's a good guy.
don't wanna go to- but yeah, well, he is.
But you just got to be straight with us. And I know you're scared because there's 3 cop cars here, and it's a hard thing to do. But we got people whose house is damaged. Your car is lodged against the side of their house. You got out of the car. They talked to you. You walked away. People saw you get into a car and leave.
What?
People saw you get into this car and leave the scene.
Well, I wasn't driving.
This car. I know you're not driving
Yeah,
this
my
car.
dad was driving.
Right.
Right.
But tell us what happened over there with your car.
You want me to tell you what happened over there with my car?
Yes.
What, when my dad was driving?
Okay, so Stacey, at this point, your dad already confirmed that you weren't home. You ended up coming home.
Yeah.
So again, like Lieutenant Piper said, we already know what happened. That's not the ordeal. We're just giving you a chance to tell us what's going on and whatnot. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you: would you be willing to do some testing to make sure that you were okay to drive at that point?
I wasn't driving though.
Okay, this isn't an argument anymore. I'm not going to argue with you about that anymore.
I understand what you're saying, but I wasn't driving.
Okay, like I said, I'm not going to argue about that. I'm giving you a chance. If you want to do some testing, you can. That's up to you.
But why would I do testing if I wasn't driving?
I'm going to stand over here so the sunlight's not in my eyes. But
why would I do testing if I wasn't driving? I mean, I really appreciate everything that you do.
Because you were, Stacey. That's...
No, I was
like I said,
not driving.
I'm not going to argue with you about that.
My dad was driving.
Okay. Your dad already confirmed that he was not driving the black car.
No, he was, though. He's driving the vehicle. And so, I mean, what can I do?
Okay.
I don't want to...
Right now what you can do is you can give me an answer on whether you would want to do some field testing right now.
No, I don't want to, because he's the guy that was driving the, you know.
Okay. So you're passing your
He
options
was-
to do the field testing.
Yeah.
Okay. So at this point, you're going to be under arrest, okay?
Why?
Because you're very intoxicated.
What? But why am I being arrested, though? I don't understand why I'm being arrested.
Sure, you're being arrested for operating under the influence
Why would I be arrested for that, though?
because you were driving a car and you're intoxicated.
No, my dad was driving right there.
Yep.
vehicle.
So, yep, you're okay.
We'll walk right over
We'll
here.
walk right over to the car.
Can I talk to my dad?
In just 1 second, we're gonna
No,
walk over
I
to this
want
car.
I want to be able to talk to my dad.
Okay.
I don't have anything in here.
Okay.
Seriously.
Yeah, we gotta check anyways.
Okay. Well, I'm sure you do. Well, could you get a please a woman to do it and not?
We don't have any available at this time.
Okay. Well, can I please talk to my dad? Because you know what?
In just a minute, yeah.
This is a bunch of bullshit.
Okay.
I mean, listen, I love what you guys do. I've always respected what you guys do. This is crazy.
Well, I appreciate you being decent with us.
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna like.
Yep, just... Okay. We'll walk right back to the back of the car here.
No.
I'll grab
Can I
your-
please
Yep, I'll
tell
grab,
my?
I'll grab your dad and he can come talk, okay? I still have his ID. I gotta go and talk to him anyways.
Quiet. Quiet. Bullshit. Where am I going? What? How long am I gonna be in jail?
I'll explain everything that's gonna go on. Okay?
You'll be released pretty shortly, actually.
Bullshit.
Well, for you.
When am I gonna get out?
Careful. I'll explain everything, Stacy, okay? Just give me a second.
This is bullshit.
You got it?
Yeah, thank you.
At Lever Vroi Unserai Section 3241J2, Iowa law does not require an officer to directly observe the driving. Under Iowa, Quasi 32 operate includes actual physical control of a motor vehicle. OWI may be proven entirely through circumstantial evidence, physical crash evidence, eyewitness identification, vehicle registration, and observable signs of intoxication in the subject. At Investigative Tension Terry Stop Standard. Officers lacked all cause for arrest when they first made contact. The stop was justified as an investigative detention under Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 1, 1968. Reasonable articulable suspicion based on a witness physical description matching the subject, proximity to the crash site, and the subject's presence in a vehicle consistent with her reported flight. At probable cause totality of circumstances under Illinois v. Gate, it's 62 U.S. 213, 1983. Probable cause is assessed using the totality of circumstances. 3 independent sources established it here. First-hand civilian eyewitness identification of the driver, physical vehicle evidence lodged in a residential structure, and the subject's father on scene confirming he was not operating the vehicle. At Miranda City Threshold Critical Legal Missue under Berkmer v. McCarty, 1st 368 U.S. 431-84. A routine investigative stop does not trigger Miranda. However, Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 6966 requires advisement when a suspect is in custody. Under California v. Behealth U.S. 1721-983, the test is objective, whether a reasonable person would feel free to leave. At statements made after the subject was removed from the vehicle and detained for continued questioning may be subject to suppression if no Miranda warning had been administered. At adoptive adibmas inconsistent statements. The subject progressed through three contradictory accounts. First, no crash occurred. Second, third, her father was driving. Under Iowa Rule of Evidence 5.801, prior inconsistent statements are admissible as substantive evidence. The father's on-scene denial demolished the third account. Under v. Beckley, Ohio, 379 U.S. 89, 1964. Each contradiction independently fortified the officer's probable cause determination. At under Iowa Cohesion 110, Section 611, the operator of a vehicle involved in a property damage accident must stop, remain at the scene, and provide identifying information. At departure constitutes a separate criminal offense, independent of and cumulative to the OWI charge. Where damage exceeds $1,000, reporting obligations attach under Section 321.2612. 2 separate collisions, a tree, and a residence may support 2 distinct counts.
I believe she's... I haven't spoken with her, but based on what happened, I believe she was into a couple of crashes. She hit a tree in a house.
Oh my God. Wow, no, this
and
this is the first I've heard of it.
That's why her car didn't make it home with her.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit concerning, you know, that she's showing up and being upset. You know, if she's been drinking, certainly that's a concern because she hit somebody's house, right? Like somebody
Hit
could.
the house itself.
Yeah, yeah. Anybody else show up with her when she got there?
No.
Did she say she was with somebody?
No, she babbled something. I was with, and then you know.
Nobody was
I
with
couldn't
her?
make any sense of. No, nobody. She was alone.
Okay.
But honestly, I couldn't make. I said, what happened? What happened? I couldn't make sense of anything.
Sure.
She was probably so worked up. And,
Okay. Well, I appreciate the help. You know, again, I don't think you probably witnessed what happened, same as I didn't, and we're both trying to piece together stuff based on.
I'm still. Now I'm learning.
Sure. Oh, that's her dad.
Yeah.
They live together. He was just leaving the house and saw her sitting home all frazzled. I was like, why don't you just come with me?
Yeah, but the victim homeowners actually saw her sitting behind the wheel and tried to hold the door shut so she couldn't get out.
Did they take pictures or anything?
No, but they're like, she's got jet black hair, black spandex, black top. We know her because she's our neighbor.
Perfect.
What am I even getting charged with?
What'd you say?
What am I getting charged with?
Right now you're getting charged with OWI.
For what?
For OWI.
But I wasn't though.
You get charged with anything else.
Well, I didn't do anything bad. When can I get out of jail?
Quick minute, and then the two of them.
I don't want to go to jail.
She got one more time. You stopped them.
Okay.
Dad.
What, darling? What do you?
Dad.
You couldn't even. You didn't even make any sense when I saw you.
What, Dad?
What, darling? I don't know, Stacy. I don't know what to say. I didn't.
Well, Dad.
What, darling?
All right, fine. All right, fine. All right, fine.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Oh my God. I don't understand what I'm being charged with. I really don't. Can you please inform me what I'm being charged with?
Yep, I told you it's going to be an OWI. It'll be fourth.
What do you mean?
It'll be your fourth OWI.
Sam 115.
Oh, well, that's not going to happen. The fourth OWI. But I wasn't driving. It's a joke. Can I just, get the handcuffs, off me? I mean, this is ridiculous.
Your vehicle's a Jeep Grand Cherokee, yeah?
My vehicle?
Yeah.
Possibly or not.
Possibly. I'm just asking what vehicle you own.
Well, I'm asking why you want to know.
Hello?
Dad.
Oh, Stacy.
Dad, please come and get me.
Come and get you?
Yeah.
Let him know he'll be picking you up from the jail, though.
I know.
Where's your purse?
It's at the police station. I did something
you got
stupid.
You got it.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
All right, are you ready to be released then?
Can I go home? Well, I'm asking
Is it
the
Alex?
officer. Yeah, it's my dad. Can I go home?
Hey, Alex, what's going to happen is we're going to go to the police, or the jail, and you can pick her up from there if you want to. You might end up having to bail her out. I'm not 100% sure about that, though.
But I'm being charged with a felony.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah.
Is this your fourth?
Well,
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's a mess.
This
It's
is
a mess.
fucking bullshit.
Yeah, well,
Somebody
now,
is Adrian. Oh god.
that's okay. Don't worry. I will come and get you. Was your
Dad,
person
I
in a vehicle?
know. Huh?
Was your person in a vehicle?
I don't know. I don't know where anything
okay.
is.
I've got her purse.
I'm
Because the house
screwed
is
right
locked
now.
up. The house
Dad,
is
I'm
locked up.
basically, I'm fucked right now.
Yeah, I know. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it when I pick you up, okay? All right?
There's not going to be nothing to talk about.
Oh, yeah, there is. Oh,
No,
God.
I'm screwed.
Yeah, I know.
Didn't even mean to have any of this shit happen.
I know. You never do. I know, Stacy. Hey, I'm not gonna, bitch at you about anything. It's just,
You know what? And I didn't do anything wrong. I fucking, what the hell did I do?
Well, yeah. I saw the tree.
Yeah, well, you know what? We're just gonna stop talking right now.
Yes.
And we're just gonna talk. Yeah. So, you need to drive down there now.
It's probably gonna take like another 20-30 minutes.
Oh, well, he
Probably
said
20,
it's gonna...
25 minutes. Once they get you booked through and everything.
He said it's gonna take like 20-30 minutes.
Alright, I'll see you then.
Okay, well, be there. Do you even know where that is? Alright, fine. In 20-30 minutes, just meet me there. Okay, thanks. Bye.
At NFIAB Sobriety Test refusal enables consent. Pre-rest field sobriety testing is voluntary.
Refusals within the subject's rights at that stage. However, post-domestic rest field testing is governed by SUVIN Section 321 Civ JT26. Under Suit Dakota v. Neville, Suit U. CF 53, 1983. Evidence of difficulties refusal as refusable is admissible at trial as consciousness of guilt and carries no Fifth Amendment protection.
At fourth offense, then 321J.22d. A fourth I conviction constitutes a Class D felony in Iowa. Maximum 5 years confinement. At fine of $3,125 to $9,375. Mandatory substance abuse evaluation. Minimum 6-year driver's license revocation under Iowa Code Section 321J. 4 with no eligibility for a temporary restricted license. Priors must be proven beyond a reasonable doubt under Almendarez Torres v. United States 523 U.S. 224, 1998. That post-chemical texting Birch Fald v. North Dakota. Under Birchfield, North Dakota 579 U.S. 438, 2016, a warrantless breath incident to a lawful OWI arrest is constitutionally permissible as a search incident to arrest. At a warrantless blood draw, however, requires either valid consent under Missouri v. McNeely 569, 2013, unless exigent circumstances exist. Refusal triggers automatic license revocation under Iowa Code Section 321J by 9. 1 year for a first refusal, 2 years for a subsequent refusal. At legal lessons key take for practitioners and citizens. First, ESCWA's prosecutions do not require direct officer observation of driving circumstantial evidence, suffices under Iowa Code Section 321J13. Second, Miranda attaches at custody. Not arrest, pre-arrest, questioning during an investigative detention may not require advisement under Berkemer, but the line is fact-specific, and courts will scrutinize it. Third, at contradictory exculpatory statements are themselves evidence of guilt and will be documented and used at trial. Fourth, leaving the scene doubles criminal exposure. The duty to remain under Iowa Code Section 321.261 is absolute and immediate. Fifth, a fourth UI is a felony. Each prior conviction compounds both the criminal penalty and the collateral consequences permanently.